Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk through how to fix emails not coming in on iPhone. Here are the steps to fix emails not coming in on iPhone. First, check internet connection. Make sure Wi Fi or mobile data is turned on and working. Open Safari and load the website to test it. Refresh the Mail app. Open the Mail app, pull down the inbox screen to force refresh incoming emails. Restart the iPhone. Hold the power button and volume button on Face ID iPhones. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. Check Mail Fetch settings. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, then Fetch New Data. Ensure Push is enabled, or set Fetch to every 15 or 30 minutes. Verify email account settings. Go to Settings, Mail, Accounts, select the account, and check if username, password, and server details are correct. Free up storage. Low iPhone storage can prevent mail syncing. Go to Settings again, General, iPhone Storage, and here, clear the space if needed. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install the latest iOS update. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then reset network settings. Reconnect to Wi Fi afterward. Contact email provider or Apple support. If the issue persists, your email provider may be blocking connections. Reach out to your provider or Apple support for further help. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.